everybody, it's me Trudy. Welcome to my channel. So I wanted to pop on here real quick and show you guys something in case you guys do not have magazines to do for your junk journals. Something that I did a while back, actually, when I had a broken foot, ankle, and I was laid up, so I was on the internet an awful lot, you guys, like totally an awful lot. So while I was on there, I was going through websites, and because I was thinking I was going to travel, I was going to do all these things, I wasn't going to let time pass me by anymore. I'm not going to let life get by me. And so I went to different places and I asked for travel brochures. So you guys, I have an abundance of travel brochures that did not cost me a dime, and you know that I still get them. This was a year ago and I still get them every now and then, and well, I get them in the mail. They want you to travel through their states. So I have lots of brochures, and you guys look, pictures. They got good pictures in here. So if you don't have magazines, believe me, you can go on those sites and you get them for free. Look at the image work here. Here's a map. I'm not going to go through all these, but here's for bird watching, bird imagery. This one's Utah. I mean, just beautiful pictures. So just, these are great. So I have tons of these, and then I have like bigger magazines with great photography. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This would be great for glue books and journals and junk journals, you guys. So if you're on a budget and you don't have magazines, or you don't want to go anywhere, just get on those sites and just send for them. They'll send them to you. This one, I have a lot of them. A lot. They're really great. I really love these. And they've just been sitting here. But I wanted to show you guys because I don't want you to ever think that you need magazines, because you don't. Look at this. Look at that. It's just beautiful. Tons of art, tons of photography, and the imagery is just beautiful. So I'm going to use a lot of these for my vision board too. Yeah, food. You guys, look at this. Just, oh, brochures for clothing. I sent for those. Yep, I did. RV, women who love to RV. Have that. Arizona. I mean, they send all these free, you guys. So just go online to whatever state you want to travel to and tell them to send you them. The other thing that I'm going to do, and I wanted to share with you guys, is I have these Healthy Chics Spark Your Bliss deck. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be starting a series. Probably it's going to be once a week. And I'm going to do a series of journal prompts using this deck. I did this a couple of times last year, but that's about it. And these are really awesome, you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick from the deck And then here's what it says. It says self-worth. I love and accept myself exactly as I am, and I know I am worth so much more than a number on a scale, a title, or a judgment. These are supporting actions that you can do with this. Toss the scale, let go of self-judgment, and buy yourself a gift. And this is the journal prompt. What do you believe you're worthy of? And then I will do a journal spread based on that. What do you believe you're worthy of? So that's going to be a series I want to do, because I'm going to do that once a week for myself. I'm going to turn on the camera and we're going to do it together. If you guys want to join along, you're more than welcome. But I really think this is something that I need to do in my life. Not that things are bad, but I just know that I'll be done this year with my education endeavors, and I'm going to be starting to wind down, and only just work. And I know that seems to like a lot, but I've been going to school for quite some time, that just having a regular job and nothing else is going to give me an awful lot of time to do other things. I'm already thinking, what could I do with that extra time, even though I work a full-time job? I thought, well, maybe I can take a watercoloring class at the local, community college or something like that. But I think I just need to calm down and just relax and do art and just enjoy my life. So I will be posting something about that here in the next week. With that, I wanted to share that with you, and I still am coming back because I've almost prepared my planner system. I'm going to sit down at the table and I'm going to go over everything with you guys, exactly what I'm doing, my goals, how I set them, what I'm looking at, all of that. And I will probably do that this coming weekend. I have to work all the way through the new year, so until the weekend, so it'll be the first weekend of the year. Okay. And I'm also going to be doing my vision board, and I may videotape that. I'm not sure yet, but I may videotape that, so be on the lookout for that. Okay, make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't, so that you can get notifications of the videos that are going to be coming. Share it if you think somebody else might enjoy this, and especially healthy chicks. If somebody that wants to join that bandwagon with us, that'll be great. The more the merrier, right? And yeah, and thank you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys real soon. Talk to you later. Have a good night. Bye.